Today we got some eggs because I am an egg slinger. So,
Egg pooper.
shut up. I'm an egg slinger.
You poop eggs.
Yeah, but
Those eggs.
it's in the name.
Oh, I have looked at them. Stop carrying.
With some potatops to it. Pwede na si Aya mag-share. You can share na Aya.
I-move ko lang yung tray.
Okay. Sarap mo?
Let me right?
I'm loving it. Paano mga tao magloob? Ano kung mag-double jump sila? So yummy.
Hindi sila kapasok. Anything you want.
Mayak, can you stand up? Oh, sorry. Nick, pwede ka mag-stand up? Hindi, dyan mo siya. Hanap ko yung ano ko sa video.
You go in there. The Ryoka has the robot airplane.
Ano next?
Ay, where is that?
Uy, gato eh! Hindi nyo ismell ang ulo! Hindi nyo ismell ang... Hindi nyo ismell at saka ilig ang feet ng ano, ng gorilla ha?
Oh, pero where is the mutants?
Morning na.
I said they trying because
Wake up guys! Wake up! Wake the fuck up! Lock in! I'm gonna tell Santa Cruz. Vet box. Don't lock in. Lost to Pengu.
Lagyan ko sa atin sa pamilya.
Lock in. Patay naman siya. Hindi siya masaddle.
Yung kanina ba Michael Jackson no? Ano?
Na, grandpa? Ano pala ngayon?
Nagagalat ka dira. Sakay na. Sakay na lahat.
Oh, lahat nakasakay.
Ano kasi yung record? Baka mawalong ka.
Okay. Tara na.
Wala kang egg mahulog ko.
Don't eat there.
Ganit.
Dira na, napuno lang ko sa gamigas dira. Patay ka ba?
Ha? Oh, dyan na.
Don't die, Aya. Why are you staring at my soul?
Huh?
What's wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you?
He hates us.
Hate me.
You're right.
Yeah. It's not bad.
Why do you draw him right now?
He's so valuable. He's the most valuable in the trade.
How about the unicorns?
They cost me.
Necromancer? I mean, Nicola?
They cost me 150.
Oh, no.
Not really sizes.
Second best thing here is the unicorn. Raid natin? Sahur. Sahur.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why trying to push me?
They'll try and push you.
What's wrong with you, Nicole? Sarah did it, but
You won. Nicholas stared at you.
grabe ko, dalawang minute card.
Oh.
Pinakalit mo.
Dani, ito yung pinakaganda na loot natin. We got the money talks, guys! Yeah!
So, kailan natin ito?
Ito.
Ito gani, ginagawa ko.
Ako rin.
Ano look like?
Nakapanda.
Dani.
Sa night ako nag-record ko dati.
Tapos sa morning ako nag-record. Kasi mas ganda kasi morning.
Bakit ko
I like this, okay? I like this.
Yeah, we're here. We made it to 60K.
Yay!
Isa na lang, tapos matapos na to.
20 more miles. 200 more miles.
20 miles pa.
Pinag-inom, pigawas mo.
Wala man.
Pinag-inom.
Okay. Naglinog! Earthquake!
Ano yung mo?
Yan! Galinog? Galinog!
Dito tayo po.
Where's my slippers?
Dito ako po.
I'm gonna get my chair.
Hindi ko makuha. Ito sa akin, Mek.
This is mine.
Without child.
There are the pares of Wait, can you help me?
Ma-rejoin ka pa.
Oh, pero di ako mag-strain.
Dito! Nag-stop man kami. Stop man kami. Ah!
This is your technique.
Ano yan?
Actually, I want this one.
Ano yan, Mama? Hindi ko man feel.
Di ba naman ang feel?
Gani.
Okay lang mo?
Oh. Oh, hindi. Sila? Siguro. Linog ba? Wala man. Ha?
Check ka?
Huwag mo tapakan shoes ko.
Check? Di namin napansin.
Bakit ka nagtapak sa shoes ni?
Di namin napansin, Mama.
Tigas na pag ulo mo na. Halika dito, Mikde. Oo, tapos ng bahay. Baba ako. Tapos, kala ko hindi pa kayo nakalabas. Basta maka-feel kayo ng maglabas kayo ng bahala.
Di man ako naka-feel. Ganda yung day to day.
Ano?
First, nag-play kami ng Roblox, tapos nag-play kami in real life. Tapos,
Nagkain kayo?
nagkain kami.
Kain na kayo.
Ah. Nag-record ako.
Balik na kayo din kay Rocky. Relax lang kayo, ha?
Apo!
Okay, mag-away, ha?
Apo!
Are you okay, Aya? Are you okay? Did you feel the earthquake? Yeah, there is.
Di man ma-feel! Di ma-feel to?
Disconnect ka?
Hindi! May, kasan ka? Ayan ako. Gatoy, nagtayo naman ako!
Wala kami feel.
Gani, wala kami ma-feel sa linog. Gani, walang internet. Aya, you're still there?
You're not disconnected.
only need eggs. This one. Hi, Wolf. The most not best object here. From this all $20.
Yung worst dito yung balik.
I do. Di gani masal. Bayang magilo. Ang sinagayan. Alab sa puso. Sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang. Di lang. Ting. Galinog pa ba? Parang wala naman. Wala man yung ma-feel. Galinog pa ba? Hindi ko din kasi ma-feel. Gani. Galinog pa? Galinog pa? Ay, let's go inside! No! Yay! No more earthquake! Wala man natin na-feel kasi sige tayo Roblox. No. Nakakita naman rin ako rat nag-walk dito. Hindi mo natin napansin. I need eggs to get to 10 kilometers plus. Yay! Mag-straight lang tayo. Hindi na mag-stop. Stop tayo kay... Oh shit. Wolves, they're the most non-selling object here.
Oh, the silver, the
Yeah.
silver. The silver, please.
No, ayaw. Ay lang.
Look what to make.
Mag-hide lang tayo doon. Hide lang tayo. At saka yung mga eggs lang yung mag-attack.
Oh, ako dead.
O gani, one of the eggs ka? Attack na lang ako.
Di ba na-win tayo dahil sa
Gani. Wait lang. Wala tao mamatay tas nag pwede pa ba maka-escape? Hindi na. Ilabas natin lahat eggs para hindi sila mapatay sa barbed wire. Dito na tayo. Wala pa. How many more kilometers?
Oy! You anymore?
egg na yun.
Hawak ko star ko. Wala lagay ako star ko yung raffle.
Kahit naman.
Oo, na-disconnect ka.
You got this connect. You got this connect. I don't care.
10 kilometers na lang kailangan natin.
So, walang mamatay, guys. Ano, saan ka punta?
Don't give up.
Kita ko ang side.
Give up. And I don't care. All we do is just not give up.
Side ako.
To give up. I've done your survival book. Yeah.
Pansin niyo.
I know my shit is gonna be stuck. Why are you going to be Donald Trump again?
He wants to be.
Who said he was
I'm gonna get some torches.
Okay. We're gonna... Okay, bro. Shush it.
Yeah, but I'm gonna die.
Nick, sunod ka lang sa amin, Nick. Magsunod ka lang.
Gani. Brr, patapim. True U equals Rika L. Ay, the doctor.
fighting anymore. Yeah!
Yeah.
It's likely to die si Mikmik.
Neymar.
Zero diamond all.
Oh, shoot. Hindi ba pala ako nagatae? Nagatapon lang sa sky.
Tayo ka.
Huh?
Galing na sa body mo.
Yeah, that's
Oh shit, night time.
Shit? I shit? That's my shit.
Night
I'm going
time.
to stay in place.
Did I shit?
No. No, I need to
Did I?
fall off.
Kuha natin lahat ng eggs tapos yung egg army will begin.
I-hatch ko sila
Gani. Pero sa labas natin i-hatch.
sa loob.
Yung barbed wire. Yung barbed wire. Ali,
I-alis muna natin.
gani. Mamaya.
Ayun na.
Mamaya na. Gani, kasi yung metal sheet man.
Tayo lang.
Okay, open na. I-open lang natin yung metal sheet. Okay. Tayo rin.
Hindi tayo maglaban.
Yung mga eggs lang.
Oh.
Marami masyado eggs natin. I-count natin. Egg count! It's time for an egg count! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. 24. Yeah, 25. What na?
I'm from 55.
55? Bro, it's only 25.
I'm from 55. I'm from 55.
25.
19.
We can't go that.
Hey, you did literally put everything. You put on the street, you put on the rails, on the train, on the roof of the train.
I didn't gotta go now. I didn't poop. It came from my head.
From your brain.
No. It was from my mouth.
It's the big moment. It's the big moment.
This is the first time you didn't die in the game.
Ah, just follow us, okay?
I have a bag.
Only the egg. Only the egg.
Kilometer.
The eggs. Only the eggs will fight. Because it's Avengers Assemble. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah. The train is so fast.
Yeah. No. 80. 80. Not 8. Iron Man. Iron Man. Iron Man. Yung ano natin. Iron Man. Make.
Follow us.
Make.
I didn't see the big.
Ano igawa mo kung mag-ginito siya?
Oh, it's the
Sama? Aya, what will you do if he does this?
Uy, lapit na! 4,000 kilometers na lang! 4,000 na lang! Ay, laki! 4,000 na lang!
4,000 na lang. Lapit na!
Nakita ko na actually.
Ha? Hindi.
40 multiple.
Curve lang mo. The curve na.
40 multiple.
Oh, makita ko na yung curve! Be?
I said the curve. It's
Nakita na namin ang curve.
Lapit sa curve back there.
Doon na.
Nakita niyo? Nakita ko na sila. Bro, where are you still? Hat! Hat! Yeah! Hat! Let's get out of here! I'm gonna kill the Easter Bunny! Yes! They're doing it! Yes! Oh my God! Yes! 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 Oh, shut up! Yes! Yes! Oh, shut up! Shut up! Patay ako! Yes! 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 This guy's good at playing soccer! I am No, it's only 4 minutes. Let me see the time, please. Let me see the time. Look up. One more minute. Yes, please, the head ng Easter Bunny. The head of the Easter Bunny is down. Yes! Yes! Sacrifice, bro. What the hell are you talking about? Do something. Cut the Easter Bunny horse.